on happening. Robbers used a stolen car to ram into a Chapel Hill gun store on Tuesday, but this time they left empty-handed. Good evening and welcome to News 2 at 6. I'm Kendall Ashman. Well, the store in Chapel Hill is the fourth in Middle Tennessee to be hit in just about a month. The owner of the store tells News 2's Caitlin Quisenberry he always prepares for every possibility, but a car driving into his store was the last thing he expected.
I try to stay to a KISS rule of things, just keep it simple. Just, if you think something's going to happen, it's probably going to. So how would we prevent that?
Gunsmith Rich Modzuliski has owned and operated Echo 3 Armory in Chapel Hill for the last 7 years. He tells me his gun shop is a place to purchase new guns and ammo while also repairing old guns. At the end of every day, all weapons are locked up and secured, and that extra precaution saved his business after 2 suspects in a stolen vehicle crashed into the store, gaining access to an array of guns.
Nothing was taken. All of our firearms are secured.
Rich says after he received the alert from his security system, it became a matter of acting.
When situations arise, it's more or less how do you respond rather than, stop, not make a situation worse off. Just make a decision. What can you do?
The forced entry point is now covered as the company waits on the insurance claim. But this isn't the first time Middle Tennessee criminals have used stolen vehicles to gain access to a gun store. At the end of May, the Southern Bunker in Smyrna lost multiple guns worth $50,000 after a car drove through the entryway. Days later, Murfreesboro Bullseye Gun and Range had a stolen car ram into their business, the suspects stealing several guns. And in Gallatin, several teens drove a stolen Hyundai Elantra through Sumner Gun and Supply. They reportedly stole a semi-automatic rifle and shotgun. Rich says after this experience, he's reminding other businesses in the area to prepare for the worst.
Make sure everything's secured, as always. Plan for the worst, obviously. And what can you do with it?
According to the city, Chapel Hill police are still looking for the 2 suspects. In Chapel Hill, Caitlin Quisenberry, News 2.